Hello, welcome back, and today is the most randomest update ever because I do not know what to do, and then once again, well, she's on, but she's not really. Well, anyway, once again, my friend Betsy Cool 180 is on, and I get bored without her, honestly. She, is just mind-blowing. She has every friend's wannabes personality, everything, and she's a beta just like me. Well, I'm kind of beta, I'm just not really into rares. I care about what I want and what I want to get, but that's okay if I get something that's rare, something. Anyway, I just want to say I'm a banana. I am not a human being. I am not even close to a human being, and forever that will stay like that. Because everyone else has a perfect voice. Julian too has a perfect voice. Well, kind of, for a man. Boy. I meant, I don't know. I'm just really bored. I mean, my voice is mixed up with a frog and a dying rabbit. Sounds kind of like that. Actually, something very close to that. You'll never hear me laugh, literally laugh. Because everybody's gonna hate on haters. Let's get the wings, I don't care. I will not be trading my top hat ever again. Because I've lost it a lot of times. Okay, wait. What was I gonna say? Oh, yeah. I've been flashing these, they just kept getting me gifts. I guess. I don't know why I'm so cool. One of my friends, not her, it was actually her. I always talk about her. She says she's the new founder. What? She lied, actually, which is depressing. The fact that that's my dream item. She said, oh, give me your email and I can try to get you a founder. I mean, what does that have to do with giving me a founder? I could trade for a founder, but none of my stuff is fair for a founder. My lip hurts. It hurts to talk, to laugh. So me and my friend were talking behind her back, just 'cause I talk like that. Oh, there's this weird. Oh, that guy. Why are you all saying? Well, one person is saying I have a beautiful voice and everyone likes my voice. I'm so popular. No. Oh, his friends. I'm not even close to that, actually. And I'll be, really? Don't care for popularity? There's this really rude person who just laughed at me when I said my list for rare headdress is actually a pretty good deal. But he stood there saying, ah, ha, 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 no, never, that's not gonna happen. Because Very is everything. I mean, they're pixels, and they're you're actually gonna pick these up and touch them. Duh, I mean, seriously? Not you're ever gonna touch them. Like me, because I'm just awesome. And I can touch pickles. I meant pixel. Oh my god, I meant, you know what, never mind. Because I obviously can't say stuff right, nor either talk right. So we're just gonna go try to trade. Anyway, because this is really slow. I'm gonna try to get the headdress. And if I do... Ooh, I can. It's not like he's doing this. Nobody accepts my fair trades for a headdress. I mean, the headdress don't cost much. Y'all need to understand that. And I'm actually trying my best. You all need to know that there are people who aren't rare because his pixels are like, oh my god, they're totes adorbs, or whatever the fluff you want to do. I said fluff, by the way. I did not say that other word that I was going to do, but I got too bored. So anyways, I just got done eating one of my favorite foods. One. I only trade this. I had a headdress, and then I traded that for a black top hat. Then that black top hat got scammed. And then again, I got another black top hat. He's gonna slime right away. He don't even need it. I need it. Well, not really. I don't need it either. Well, I look good in it. Not like him. He doesn't even have the puppier clothes. He just doesn't fit. Nobody understands that. I do not like a girl wearing. Hold on. See? See, look, why do they decline an overtrade? Headdresses are a rare Monday item for Thanksgiving. And you all are declining an overtrade. I traded epic plushie, green Greco, phantom thing, clown mask, and green gecko for it. Slime my overtrades. I don't like that when they do that. It's just awkward. They need to learn that rare headdresses are a rare Monday item. Thanksgiving. I'm gonna try this. I gotta go to her then, because it lags terribly. I'll get back to you if she says, okay, I give up. I couldn't find her, but oh well. Just oh well. She wasn't, so we're just, whatever. Doesn't this seem like a fair trade? I mean, hold on. Fair trade? Or it isn't? I don't know. Let me go to one of the rare places. Well, I didn't get that headdress, but doesn't mean I will try. Well, anyways, nobody really wants me to do anything. Oh, gets two. Try to get this one. Give me that glasses. Give me. Please. I mean, won't hurt you. yes, 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 yes. We banana man has strike again. Stop following me. Yes, yes, chew, yes, adorable. Anyways, I am bored. I'm gonna go play my other game. Well, this is pointedly wait for Betsy, which I don't think she's getting on until tomorrow. And tomorrow, or in the middle of that, I shall be able to get more diamonds. Diamonds, what the hell? Heck. Anyways, this is it for List Lindy, or List Linder, or Slender Man, or Taco Man, or Banana Man. Anything you want. Call me. Bye.